18 years ago, there was just an idea how to solve a problem. Today, two modern halls rise here, offering 4,000 square meters of space where ideas become reality. This is more than a factory. It's a factory of opportunities, shaping the future together with our clients.
Now we are in our factory in Inowrocław, and all of the trailers are built here. So we would like to show you all of the steps, how the trailer is built. So be ready for the quick review of our production.
Before we build screens, we build the relations. Every project begins with our sales team who guides clients from the very first call. It's here that ideas are shaped, challenges are understood, and first solutions appear into the table. Every trailer that leaves our factory starts with this simple step, a conversation.
Meet Rafał and Bartek, our designers. All of our ideas, those guys are turning into drawings and plans. They are our brains.
And this is where the real magic happens. Inside our welding hall. Here, every step of production meets the rigorous TOV standards, using only certified high-grade steel, because only this level of precision guarantees the durability of our trailers. From scratch, our specialists craft each component you later find in screen LED products.
There is about 120 components like masts, hydraulic columns, chassis or screen frame, and mix of those components can build any trailer what we can make, even with any of the feature what we have in our offer. When the component is ready, we store it in our warehouse, and there it's waiting for your order to be prepared to build your trailer as soon as possible.
Your order sets everything in motion. We bring the components from our warehouse and make sure the chassis and the body are joined together, piece by piece, with millimeter precision. Without this stage, no trailer could ever be safe and reliable on the road. If we have all components ready, that we need about 92 working hours to complete your trailer here. Before the final touch, there is a hydraulic system, the true backbone of every trailer. Without it, nothing would rise, fold, or move the way it should.
At the end of assembly process, all of the trailers needs to have quality check. There is more than 100 points what needs to be valid with our standards.
I started alone, just with a vision in my head. We make work simple by smart engineering. Today I'm not alone. I'm surrounded by people who believe in this idea, sometimes even more than I do. Together we built Screen LED. It became the foundation for sister brands and new projects. And this is only the beginning. The greatest visions are still ahead for us.